In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cursor AI for business to automate tasks and boost productivity. Imagine a workspace where routine tasks are no longer dragging you down, and your focus can center on what truly matters: innovative thinking and strategic planning. Let's dive right into making that a reality. First, let's focus on setting up Cursor AI for business. Begin by navigating to the Cursor website. You'll want to create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head over to the business portal and follow the prompts for business setup. This process generally involves verifying your business credentials, ensuring you're set up with the right permissions, and configuring the important settings like team access and data security. You might find it helpful to have your team on board for this, ensuring that everyone's roles and responsibilities are clearly defined right from the start. Next, you'll want to explore the workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user interface. In the workspace, you will find all the tools necessary to manage tasks effectively. You'll notice a dashboard that provides a snapshot of ongoing tasks and a sidebar with a suite of tools and options to customize your work. Spend some time clicking through, opening tabs, and understanding how these features can best serve your team's workflow. Now, let's talk about automating business tasks. This is where Cursor AI truly shines. Start by identifying repetitive tasks that consume valuable time daily or weekly. Cursor AI can take these off your plate through its automation features. For instance, automate your data entry requirements or set up your email scheduling. These tasks, once automated, run seamlessly in the background and free you to tackle more complex projects. Following automation, we turn our lens to using Cursor AI for productivity. With your tasks automated, your workspace is now optimized for productivity. You'll find you can focus more sharply on creative solutions and forward-thinking strategies. Consider integrating productivity tools directly from the app. Use calendar management widgets to track deadlines and set reminders. Even better, use its analytic tools to gauge your team's workflow efficiency and tweak as needed. Finally, let's look at real-world use cases. From sales to customer support and even marketing, Cursor AI can be tailored to fit various business needs. For example, in sales, Cursor AI can help streamline client communication through personalized automation, ensuring each client feels prioritized. Or in customer service, it can manage ticket allocations to improve response times significantly. The possibilities are diverse and adaptable to your unique business context. With Cursor AI for Business, you have a powerful ally in streamlining operations and honing productivity. By setting it up, exploring the features, and strategically automating tasks, you will be well on your way to transforming how you and your team work. Remember, the goal here is not just to work harder, but smarter, enabling you to reach new heights in your business endeavors.